My working configuration for this Canon XA40. The first thing I did add was the onboard mic, because without that you're just forced to use the tiny little onboard mics over here, which are fairly useless because you're going to pick up a lot of body noise and stuff when you're from handling the camera. For this camera, I chose the SGM 250 CX because it was a really good short shotgun, and it wasn't longer than the camera like the SMG 250, which you can see a picture of. Next, I looked at the Azden Pro XR set. It's small, light. With a few rubber bands, I'm able to clip it onto the side here, or use another mount up where the light goes up there. This is a much better updated version of their Pro XD. This actually works. You can't see it here, but I'm actually speaking on the Movo WMX1, which is another digital wireless system, also compact. I decided to try out two different ones from this system because sometimes I need two wireless lavalier mics to do interviews and other types of shots. Another mic that I'm using with this setup is the Movo HMM2. I've used it wired and wireless. I have an old Sennheiser G2 wireless system, XLR transmitter plugged onto the back, or just with an XLR cable right into the ports over here. It is a bit longer of a mic if you're used to the Shure SM58. Pretty much everybody's got a Shure SM58. It's a huge size difference. SM58 is more of a vocal performance microphone. Also is great for interviews, but when you're doing news type reporting, do you put this next to them, you put this next to them, this is going to get you a farther reach to hear the person speaking, and you'd be surprised 5 inches in size difference between the two makes actually a pretty huge difference. Monitoring audio is also very important. I used to go through headphones pretty quickly. Plastic ones would break. I've had all sorts of issues with different types of headphones. I was sent a sample of these Halter Technical headphones a few years ago because they said they're great quality and they're $15. I was like, I didn't believe it, but they are. They're meant to be disposable. They're meant to last about a year being used on location or in an office. I've actually had these for about a year and a half, and they are still in great condition. They have not come apart, they've not broken, and they work. And the sound coming out of them is great. It's better than some of the other cheap headphones that I've seen. It's better than some of the expensive ones that I've bought. I went out after I had the sample for a while, and I just bought 2 or 3 more for my different camera kits, so I don't have to keep switching them from bag to bag. But these are actually really good, and for $15 a set, you can't go wrong. So this is also in my XA40 kit. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. We'll be coming at you with some other videos real soon, and we look forward to seeing you in the streaming media.